I'm doing it as a radio broadcast. Okay. Welcome to the TV show with me, your host tonight. We have a lot coming up, but first our guest speaker, sodium chloride.
Yo, it's getting a bit hot in here. My melting point is 801 degrees.
Oh really? How's your career going?
I'm getting a bit sick of the same, being an ionic compounds and that.
Oh, what's it like being ionic?
I'm soluble in water and slightly in ethanol.
Yeah, and?
I'm getting claustrophobic because of my shape.
Are you still going to the gym?
No, I'm the same old lactis cube. It takes a lot of energy to break down the forces, that's why my melting point is so high.
Oh, that's a shame. That means you can't conduct electricity in your shape, right?
Yeah, when I'm molten or dissolved, the ions inside me are free to move just like my blood. Charges can move with them. In my current condition, the ions are a fixed position by a strong ionic bond.
Okay, thanks for your time. That was sodium chloride as well.